how AI is set to change the game in marketing. One of the biggest hurdles in multilingual marketing is getting translations right. We've all seen those funny and sometimes embarrassing translation fails, but AI is stepping up to the plate with advanced tools like Google's natural machine translation and DeepL. These tools are getting better at understanding the nuances and cultural contexts of different languages. Looking ahead, AI will offer real-time translation services that go beyond just text. Imagine voice assistants and chatbots that can chat with customers in their native languages, providing consistent and friendly service no matter where you are in the world. AI's knack for crunching data means it can help businesses create more personalized content. By analyzing user behavior, preferences, and cultural context, AI can craft marketing messages that hit the mark with different language groups. Tools like Phrasee, for example, use AI, generate email subject lines and marketing copy that really resonate with the specific audiences. This kind of personalization ensures marketing campaigns aren't just accurate, but also culturally relevant, boosting engagement and conversion rates. Understanding how customers feel about your brand across different languages is key. AI-powered sentiment analysis tools can sift through social media posts, reviews, and other user-generated content in different languages. These tools help marketeers get a read on public opinions, spot trends, and nip potential crises in the bud. In the future, these AI tools will get even better at picking up on subtle emotional cues and cultural nuances, giving marketeers deeper insights into what makes their customers tick. AI is also making it easier to get your content out there. AI can figure out the best times to post, the most engaging formats, and even the right hashtags for different regions. This automation not only saves time, but also ensures your marketing efforts are in sync across global markets, maximizing your reach and engagement. Voice search is on the rise, with more folks using virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Optimizing your content for voice search is in multiple languages is becoming essential. AI plays a big role here, ensuring your content is easily discoverable for voice queries, which can be quite different from typed searches. Conversational AI, including chatbots and virtual assistants, will be crucial for customer service and engagements. These AI tools can handle questions in different languages, providing instant support and personalized recommendations, boosting customer satisfaction and loyalty. The future of AI in marketing is bright, offering endless opportunities for businesses to connect with global audiences, from improved translation and localization to personalized content creation and automated distribution. AI is transforming how companies engage with diverse markets. And as AI technology keeps advancing, it will not only boost efficiency and effectiveness, but also help businesses build deeper, more meaningful connections with customers worldwide. Until next time, have a good one. Bye.